Good day everyone! Today we are going to have another reading lesson. We are going to practice today how to read sentences and answer some WH questions. So to improve our reading comprehension. So are you ready? Let us start, but please don't forget to subscribe.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
The pen is in the box. The pen is in the box. Okay, kindly read it. Okay, very good. Then let's answer the question. What is in the box? What is in the box? Okay, very good. Pen. Okay, next. Where is the pen? Where is the pen? Okay, the pen is in the box. Very good.
The cat takes the mouse. The cat takes the
Kim
mouse.
has a doll. Kim has a doll.
Takes the mouse.
Can you read it? Now let's answer the questions.
Takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese.
Who has a doll? Who has a doll? Very good. Kim. Okay, what does Kim have? What does Kim have? Okay, right. Doll or a doll. Next. The ham is in the pan. The ham is in the pan. Okay, read. Okay, great. Now let's move on to the questions. What is in the pan? What is in the pan? Okay, right. Ham. Where is the ham? Where is the ham? Okay, very good. In the pan. Now let's move on to the next sentence. Hannah drinks milk. Hannah drinks milk. Okay, it's time for you to read. Okay, very good. And now let's answer. Who drinks milk? Who drinks milk? Okay, good. Hannah. Next, what does Hannah drink? What does Hannah drink? Okay, right. Milk. The blue bag is under the table. The blue bag is under the table. Okay, it's time for you to read. Okay, kindly read the sentence. Okay, very good. Now let's answer. Where is the bag? Where is the bag? Okay, great. Under the table. What is the color of the bag? What is the color of the bag? Okay, blue. Divine cooks fish. Divine cooks fish. Okay, it's your turn. Kindly read it. Okay, very good. Then let's answer the questions. Who cook fish? Who cook fish? Okay, very good. Divine. What does she cook? What does she cook? Okay, right. Fish. Now, the milk is in the glass. The milk is in the glass. Okay, kindly read. Very good. Now let's move on to the questions. Where is the milk? Where is the milk? Okay, good. In the glass. What is in the glass? What is in the glass? Okay, you're right. Milk. Next one. The kitten is in the garden. The kitten is in the garden. What is in the garden? What is in the garden? Right, the kitten or kitten. Where is the kitten? Where is the kitten? In the garden. The phone is on the bed. The phone is on the bed. Okay, it's time for you to read. Kindly read it. Okay, good. Next, let's answer the questions. What is on the bed? What is on the bed? Very good. Phone. Where is the phone? Where is the phone? Okay, right. On the bed. So thank you so much, and I hope that you learned from today's reading lesson. And please don't forget to subscribe, and please click the notification bell so that you will get notified for my next reading lesson upload. And please follow me also on my FB page, video lesson and reading materials based on milk. And please join our group, Grade 1 Sinugbuan ng Bisaya. So once again, this is Teacher Yumi saying thank you and God bless.